The share menu in Android 13 has been a mess for quite some time now. The community has been asking Google for a way to clean things up, and finally the Android 13 update brings this request to reality. With the new update, all Android devices will finally be able to pin their favorite applications or contacts to the top of the share menu. Now, this is a feature we've seen in Samsung's OneUI for quite a while now, but Android's way of sharing things still means the process is more complex than it should be. So let me show you the new changes with the Android 13 update and the share menu. Let's say that when you share something on Android, you almost always share them with a handful of people or applications. But sadly, the more people you know and the more applications you have installed, the more cluttered your Android share menu can get. This can get even more annoying when Android ends up showing different apps or contacts at the top of the share menu, depending on what you're sharing or where you're sharing it from. So with the launch of Android 13, we can now pin our favorite contacts and apps to the top of the share menu. So we can use the Google Play Store as an example here. All we have to do is find something that we want to share. This game is currently on sale for free, so maybe I want to share that with a friend. Thanks to the Android 13 update, all I have to do is go to the share menu, and now we're going to see both pinned contacts and pinned apps at the beginning of this list. I have previously pinned the Pushbullet app as well as the Chrome device from the app. This way I can quickly share things to my PC since they'll always be pinned at the top of the list here. If you're looking for other great deals on Android applications or games, be sure to check my website, www.playstoresales.com, and you'll find great deals like this and many more up there on the website. Now, what about applications or games that overtake the default share menu with their own? Sadly, many applications do this, even ones from Google, and sadly it adds an additional step to the whole process. So here we have the Photos application. When we want to share, we're given a different looking share menu because it is not using the default share menu on Android. However, we can still access our pinned contacts and our pinned applications to share by simply tapping the More button right here. You can see that brings up the share menu that we are more familiar with. It does require an additional step, and that can be annoying, especially considering that some applications use their own built-in share menu and some don't. But we have to realize that Android's share menu has been a work in progress for quite a while now. And these built-in and hard-coded share menus have been useful while Google and Android has been working to improve the default share menu. I hope that the new work put into Android 13 gives these app developers an incentive to use the default option instead of building one into the app itself. And I would especially like to see Google take the reins here and lead by example. They can remove these built-in options from their apps now that the share menu in Android 13 is becoming so useful.